I get it. I understand, fucking. You know, you're like, oh, well, I posted this. Look, about that post yesterday, please stop, being mad about that, fucking. I don't know who's liking my videos, but if you're liking my videos, save them. Yeah, that's cool. Like, I don't care if you save my videos. Like, yeah, I love making TikTok videos. But if you're just liking them, and, like I said, about that last video, don't take it very seriously about the TikTok video. It's just a TikTok. Like, I still love the person I'm with. I still love that person. I make TikToks because I just see it and I'm like, oh, hey, I want to try it. So, you know. And yes, look, you guys want to see my cat? That's my cat. Gable. Yeah, that's my cat, fucking. And people are like, oh, hey, why is your shirt off? Because it's fucking hot in my goddamn motherfucking room, fucking. It's hot in this fucking room. You know? Like, I love the person I'm with. You know? But people are like, oh, well, wait. What? Yeah. Look. It's not about you. Look. Everybody wants to sit there and complain and be fucking haters and shit. No. No, no, no. Because, look. I just, I'm happy for the person I'm with, okay? And let me be fucking happy. Like, if it wasn't for me... You guys want to see my cat real quick? Hold on, I'll tell you something. Gable. Hi, baby boy.